One. What is up? Hi YouTube. I'm here with my little sister Yanni. I should know her from some other videos. And this is my friend Mary. Say hi.
Hi.
So today we're going to be making slime. Yes, I said slime. So we already have everything we need. Borax, glue, water, food coloring, and we're going to add glitter. You don't have to add glitter if you don't want, but it just like make it pops up, you know? So hopefully you can hear me and it's good lighting, you know? So
Oh, give me that.
Yeah,
Go ahead.
so here we go. So we're gonna put the glue in first.
What'd you start?
We start off with water.
Quarter cup.
Yeah, a quarter cup of water. Something simple. And then we have glue here. Okay. So
Also
we're gonna dump it.
pre-measured.
I'm trying to get all of it in there so it won't mix. Elmer's glue.
Yeah, just regular school glue. Nothing big. Oh man, jeez.
Yep, get it.
It's already kind of.
Does it feel good and mixed?
Not yet. I don't know how it's supposed to look after you mix it.
I just need.
So guys, you mix the water
There we
with glue, and they're both a quarter pre-measured.
Quarter cup.
Yeah, a quarter cup. So y'all mix. Great. So what we do?
Put the borax in.
We're gonna. Oh, wrong cup.
Is the borax a quarter cup?
Yeah, borax is also a quarter cup. It's quarter.
So
We're gonna dump it in here.
let's do
Yep.
Right. Let's mix.
Now mix quickly. It's gonna turn jelly real fast.
Yeah, I see that.
It feels like jelly. Feels like.
Oh.
Oh,
Keep mixing. Come on. Get to it. Put it back on the table, Mary. You're gonna spill.
Oh my goodness.
I know. Keep mixing.
It's so. Oh my
Right?
goodness.
It looks like we're getting somewhere. We have. That looks slimy.
Should we add food coloring?
Let's add the food coloring. All right, everybody pick their colors. What'd you pick?
I chose blue. What
I
did you
chose
choose?
red.
And what did you choose?
I choose green. All green so it can look like floppy. You can.
Oh. All right, and what else did you choose?
Glitter. I chose just silver. You know.
Glitter, I chose red again. And I chose green again.
All right, go ahead and add. All right, start with 5 drops and see what happens. Mix quickly.
1,
Ooh.
2, 3. Should that be good? Because I put a lot.
Oh, it's okay.
How do I do it?
Turn it upside down and don't spread it at your face.
1, 2, 3.
Oh, look at that blue.
Done.
Get mixing. You better hurry.
Alright, guys. Green in there.
Yep, mix.
It's so hard mixing this big thing. It's so
It is.
Okay. Oh, I don't. It's so hard.
Look at her.
It doesn't look like.
Ew. It looks like guts.
It doesn't look like slime DIY people make, but. Oh my goodness, mommy, this is crazy.
All right, add your glitter. Add your glitter. Hurry. Because in a minute you're gonna have to pick it up and use it in your hands.
No, this
Oh
is
my
great.
goodness.
Just add some. It's fine. You're gonna no, too much.
Well, I might have added too much too.
Oh, all right.
Go back to your color.
Yeah, drop your spoons and use your hands. You gotta squeeze it.
Squeeze it.
Yep, use your hands.
All right, here we go, guys. I have to pull up my sleeve to do this.
Oh my goodness, mommy! Look at this! Oh my goodness!
Oh man. Good thing food coloring comes out.
This is crazy, mommy. Mommy, I cannot believe I'm doing this.
That's the
Looks
worst.
like guts.
All right. Note to self and to viewers.
Oh my god.
Don't use the
It looks
red.
like so many pieces.
Let me see. Oh man,
What is
that is gnarly.
And a little bit of more
It
glitter.
looks like gooey throw up. It looks like gooey throw up.
Okay.
Do we have some napkins?
We have plenty of napkins, but you should just keep going.
Yeah. After this, you should have paper towels and wash your hands.
All right, where are you at? That didn't look too bad. Keep going.
This will.
It sounds so
Ew,
bad.
look.
I can't.
Oh my.
Quit putting more on there.
It's gross.
What are you doing?
All right, everybody, show the camera your hands.
Looks like my hands are turning into zombie
You
hands.
poor thing.
It looks like you've been grabbing two people.
No. Not doing that. All right, Leah. I think yours has to be the most successful batch. Merrick's looks the most like slime.
Like flubber.
and
Gone
And
wrong.
Yana?
It's a fail.
and everybody did the same thing. I gave everybody the same amount of everything.
Well,
This is-
guys, you know.
Oh, that's just terrible. Oh my goodness.
So, before we end this video, I want to make sure, please like and subscribe to this video to see more awesome and fun videos.
Maybe Angel lost this.
So, that was me making slime. Y'all comment down below more things I should do, and I will do it. So, I mean, this is great. We have slime. So,
You have slime. Everybody else has a creation.
oh no, don't mix it.
I would say no. In fact, you don't get to touch anything for a little bit.
Is it too late to add a little bit more food coloring?
You do whatever you want. Do you want to stop your video now?
Well, thank you. Don't forget to like and subscribe. I really appreciate all my supporters. And I will end this video. Bye. Bye.